Hey friends, welcome back to our channel. I was sitting out on our screen porch and I thought that I would just share a few tips on how you can make your porch and your outdoor spaces feel cozy, welcoming, and just enjoyable to spend time in. Whether you're working with a big backyard or a small porch, these tips are easy and don't cost a lot, and they really make a big difference. So if your space is ready for a little refresh, I hope that this video can give you some ideas to use in your own space. Tip number one is to start with a clean slate. Before I decorate or style any space, I always take a little time to clean things up. I put on a mask first because honestly, the pollen gets everywhere. And then I use the leaf blower to clear off all the dust, leaves, and whatever else the wind has blown in. Some areas need a deeper clean, so I brought out the pressure washer to freshen things up, and my husband helped with the big blower to get all the leaves out of the pergola vines, which is always a bit of a job. It doesn't have to be perfect, but giving your outdoor space a quick reset makes a big difference. It gives you a fresh foundation to work with and makes everything feel more inviting. Tip number two is to add a rug. Even outdoors, a rug can completely change the feel of a space. It helps define the area and makes it feel more finished and instantly adds that cozy, lived-in vibe, almost like bringing a little bit of the indoors outside. I like to choose something with a little texture or pattern that works with the rest of my colors outdoors, and of course, outdoor rugs are super easy to clean, which is always a bonus. It's such a simple addition, but a rug really helps anchor the space and makes everything feel pulled together. Tip number three is to add warm lighting. Lighting makes such a difference in how your outdoor space feels, especially in the evenings. We hung up these solar string lights years ago under this pergola for a soft glow overhead. They're still going strong, and we love the soft glow that it adds in the evening time. I also love using lanterns, and a few of my lanterns are thrifted, and all I do is give them a good cleaning. Most of the time I pick these up from yard sales or thrift stores, and they really need to be cleaned well. With these lanterns I saw potential, and so I painted them a gold color with just rub and buff and added them to our patio. I recently found rechargeable lamps, which I absolutely love, and I like adding them to side tables or tucked into corners in our outdoor spaces. I also use these inside as well. It's such an easy way to make the space feel cozy, even when the sun goes down. Layering in a few different light sources really helps create that relaxed, welcoming atmosphere. Tip number four is to add scent to your space. Scent is something small, but it really makes a difference in how the area feels. I love using herbs like rosemary and lavender. They smell amazing and they're beautiful too. I also like to incorporate roses into my spaces. A few seasons ago, I planted a few herbs in pots and added some simple herb markers to keep things organized. I've also mixed in flowers for color and softness. Whether it's fresh herbs, fragrant blooms, or even a citronella candle, adding a little scent helps make the space feel calm, relaxing, and pulled together, like a little retreat right outside your door. Tip number 5 is to layer your outdoor space with pillows and throws. This is where you can really bring in color, pattern, and that cozy feel that makes the space feel lived in. I like to mix a few different textures, something soft, something classic, and always a few pieces that tie in with the rest of the space. It doesn't take much, just a couple of cushions and a throw or two, but it instantly makes the seating feel more inviting. You can find pillows and throws at the thrift store, yard sales, or antique stores. And it's such a simple way to add comfort and personality, and it's usually the finishing touch that brings everything together. I hope these simple tips helped you and inspired you to step outside and make your space feel a little more like home. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. It helps out our channel so much, and it helps other people find content like this. And if you've been working on your outdoor space, I would love to hear about it in the comments. Thank you for hanging out with me today, and I look forward to seeing y'all in the next video. Bye-bye. Feels good to get ears. Alright, let's pull the rug. Let's pull